Hello, investors and traders, and welcome to the weekly market report with the Market Guys. I'm AJ Monty. This is a one-year daily candle chart of the S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY, also known as the spiders. And as I zoom in here, you can see that these are the lines that I drew from last week for the report, forecasting that we would pull back. Now, this week we just laid flat. We kind of stalled right here, but the interesting thing is the volume continues to drop as we approach the last week of 2016. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this line in place. I'm just going to move it along the timeline right here because I still believe that we're going to pull back for the tax selling that usually occurs in the last week of any year, and then we start to move into the January effect, which is when the large cap stocks start to get hit and the small cap stocks tend to rally. So this is going to be my forecast. I think that we're still going to pull back to the 20-period moving average, mainly because we're seeing that drop in volume. Now remember, Monday the markets are closed, so the last week of 2016 is going to have a shortened trading week. So really anything can happen. When you have lighter volume, there is more of a tendency to manipulate prices, and we generally see that from the institutional end as money managers and fund managers start to wrap up their trading year. So that's the spiders. If we look at the Russell 2000, ticker symbol RUT, you'll see we did pull back a little bit. We started on Wednesday, Thursday, and today, Friday, we pulled back, but we didn't quite touch or even breach that moving average. So I'm going to leave that line in place as well. I'm just going to move it over. And I think that the target will most likely be the role reversal support level. This is former resistance. Once broken, tends to stay as support. So we could see a little bit of a bounce right at that area for the Russell 2000, right around 1346. So keep an eye on that. Now, if we move on and look at the Qs, as QQQ, the power shares, again, we stalled. We did not pull back to this support level that I thought we would reach, but the volume is still dropping here, so I'm going to move that line over as well, and then we're going to see whether or not we test that level and then maybe even bounce from that point. Now finally, the diamonds, ticker symbol DIA. We have again another stalled market. The market rallied early last week like I forecasted. We didn't quite get the pullback. We just laid flat. So I'm going to erase those lines and then just again keep that same angle, but I'm going to forecast that we'll pull back to that moving average next week or maybe even the week after that in the first trading week of 2017. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what we talk about here at The Market Guys, just go to our website. That's www.themarketguys.com, and you can click on that video link right there. That will bring you to the library that has what we call market shots. Each and every video is about 6 to 7 minutes long, and you can see here that we have a variety of topics, including the role reversal that I just mentioned. This again is a very short video. You could watch it on your own timeline, and then you could hit the rewind button and get some repeat lessons out of it. I believe repetition is the best teacher. The role reversal is one of the most powerful horizontal lines that you can draw on a chart. It's made me a lot of money over the years, particularly in the gold and silver markets, and it's something that I think everyone should know about. So I'd like to also wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, a wonderful holiday season with you and your families. Hopefully you'll be able to take some time off and enjoy the last part of 2016. I cannot believe how quickly this year has passed. We're already looking at 2017. I just can't believe it. So enjoy the time with your families again, and we'll talk to you soon. So long.
For almost 3 decades, AJ Monty has motivated audiences worldwide about creating personal wealth and winning in business. His time-tested risk management strategies focus on ideas that involve a keep it super simple approach, also known as the KISS principle. These concepts have been delivered to people in over 16 countries around the world, reaching audiences in the millions. AJ is a best-selling author of 2 books, The Market Guy's 5 Points for Trading Success and Take Charge of Your Money Now, both of which have been featured on PBS Television, Fox Business News, ABC TV, as well as Sirius Money Radio. As a financial educator and consultant, he has worked with some of the most recognized names in the financial industry. Companies like Bank of America, Charles Schwab, E-Trade Financial, Scotiabank, and TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. If you have ever been challenged with having to make a tough decision regarding when to buy or sell a stock, then help is on the way. The Options Oracle and Equity Oracle Alert services are designed to help you make those tough decisions. AJ will not only help you find the best trade candidates, but he will also lay out the exit strategy for each position in an easy-to-understand format that anyone can follow.
Hi, my name is AJ Monty, Chief Market Strategist for The Market Guys. For almost 30 years, I've traded stocks, options, futures, and even currencies. I've traveled the world teaching people just like you how to profit in the market using time-tested strategies that focus on risk management. You see, the secret to making money in the market depends on your ability to limit losses when you're wrong. In other words, if you want to make a lot of money in the market, don't lose a lot of money in the market. Now that may sound funny, but it's true. Most investors are challenged with 2 questions. The first question is, how do you find a good stock? Well, the best way to find the right stock starts with eliminating all of the stocks you would not invest in. This process of elimination is called stock screening. And our services help you overcome the odds so you're putting your money where the money is going. We're simply following the trends. The second question most people ask of me is, when is it time to sell? Well, if you don't have an answer to this question, then you might find yourself in a position where you're holding on to your stocks when things go against you. This is the worst thing you could possibly do because I believe this is no longer a buy and hold market. It has evolved into a buy and protect market. Holding on and hoping for things to get better is not a strategy. In fact, doing this will eventually lead you to a catastrophic loss, and you wouldn't want that. Our trade alert services help answer these 2 questions. Not only will I help you find the right trade candidate, but I'll also show you how to use the charts to manage risk. I don't use the charts to predict the future. I use them to protect the future. The charts tell me when it's time to get out as well as when it's time to get in. And that's what I'd like to teach you as well. We have 2 services, the Equity Oracle and the Options Oracle. The Equity Oracle is an alert service for traders who would like to trade only equities, whereas the Options Oracle is our premier alert service for both equity and option traders. Each alert is laid out in an easy-to-understand format that shows charts depicting entry and exit points. Risk management is our cornerstone of each service, so you don't have to struggle with the decision of when to get out or when a trade goes against you, when should I take my loss. The strategy is to use the KISS principle, keeping it super simple. As a bonus, you'll have access to a live Q&A session as well, each and every month. This is where you can submit a stock symbol, and I will analyze these stocks while we discuss the best trading strategies for each position. And it gets better. In addition to the alert service and the live monthly Q&A sessions, we're also developing a member page that will include instructional videos about how to get the most out of our service. Without question, this is the best trade alert service available on the market, and we look forward to having you as our newest subscriber. Simply click on the link below to subscribe. It's easy. Once again, I'm AJ Monty, Chief Market Strategist for The Market Guys. Thanks for watching.
Enrolling in this service is easy. Simply click on the link below to subscribe, and your weekly alert will be delivered right to your email box. And if you act now, we will include AJ's best-selling book, The Market Guy's 5 Points for Trading Success. This is a first-time offer that will get you on the road to success and keep you there. Remember, if you continue to do what you've always done, things will never change. Positive results will only come after you have taken the first step in the right direction. We look forward to having you as our newest member.